Students of class 4th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 part 2, that is editing in MS Word. In our last video we have discussed about MS Word, the parts of MS Word and how we can select a word or sentence with the help of keyboard or mouse. In this chapter we will discuss about ribbon, its command, editing, deleting, cut, copy, paste, these options. Okay, let's start. Ribbon. You can see ribbon on the screen. Ribbon is there below the title bar. So many tabs are there. Some group of commands are there on the ribbon. Fine, let's discuss. Ribbon. The ribbon is present below the title bar. It is divided into various tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View. Each tab is divided into one or more group of commands related to particular activity. Okay? Editing text. Now what is editing text? Making changes in existing document is called editing. Once again, making changes in existing document is called editing. It involves inserting or deleting text, inserting a page, copying or moving text, etc. Deleting text. Now what is deleting text? The backspace and delete key are used to remove text. Control plus backspace key and Control plus delete key are used to remove a word. See, there are two keys, one backspace key, second delete key. Both are used to remove or erase text on the screen. But backspace key is used to erase left side of the character to the cursor. But if you want to erase all the character to the right side of the cursor, you need to press delete key. Okay? Copy text. Copying text means to create a duplicate copy of a selected text. Once again, copying text means to create a duplicate copy of selected text. This is done using copy and paste commands. The shortcut keys of copy and paste commands are Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Moving text. Moving text means removing selected text from one place to another. Moving text means removing selected text from one place to another. This is done using cut and paste command. The shortcut keys of cut and paste commands are Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus X means cut, Ctrl plus V means paste. Okay. Correcting spelling errors. Misspelled words in a Word document can be checked and corrected using its dictionary while typing the document. MS Word checks incorrect words automatically and marks as red wavy line under the word that are not found in the dictionary. Press F7, shortcut key, to run spelling and grammar check in a Word document. Students, when we type any letter in MS Word document, if we commit any mistake, if you typed wrong words, MS Word itself automatically show us wrong words by putting red wavy line under that word. so that we can identify we have done some wrong, we have typed some wrong words. And MS Word also help us to correct them, their spellings we have typed wrong. Okay. Thesaurus. Now what is thesaurus? MS Word provides you thesaurus feature that is used to find synonyms of a selected word. Now what is synonyms? Similar word, just like similar word of big, that is large. Okay. Thesaurus option is there in review tab. Shift plus 7 is a shortcut key of using thesaurus. Okay. Undo and redo. Undo is undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Once again, undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Ctrl plus Z is the shortcut key of undo. Now redo. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo. Once again, redo is used to reverse the action of undo. Means redo will cancel the action of undo. Okay. Ctrl plus Y is used as a shortcut key of redo. Fine. So students, we have covered all the topics of chapter 4 in this video. I hope you have understood all these topics. Thank you very much.